Graphics card shortage is everywhere. Graphics card for a laptop is not a small matter, as it determines what you can do with your laptop. In any case, to start off, there are two kinds of graphics processors: an integrated graphics and discrete graphics for laptops. Let's start with integrated graphics. Integrated graphics, or iGPU for short, are graphics processors embedded within the processor chip. For example, Intel's Iris Xe, Intel UHD 630 graphics, and AMD's Vega graphics. But you would wonder how they get their video memory. Well, it's simple. It uses the system memory, or your RAM, for its VRAM. Because they are built into the processor, based on Intel, they now use less power and as a result create less heat, which result in longer battery life. But do note, if you do graphics heavy work on integrated graphics, your battery will still be drained fast. Integrated graphics can be found in all mobile processors from Intel and AMD. So what if you wanted to push your graphics performance with some gaming or 3D render and animation? In that case, a laptop with discrete graphics would fare better, as they are separate processor from the computing processor in the laptop. Some examples of integrated graphics are GTX 1060, RTX 3060, RX 5600M, and etc. While being separate means that it will have its own memory and will consume more power, the performance it gives are a massive jump from the integrated graphics. And due to its massive power draw, it produces more heat, so usually laptops with discrete graphics are thicker. Unless you bring the Asus ROG Flow X13 into the playing field, which by the way you can get it now by buying from our newly launched Lazada store. It comes with our 959 ATHS, GTX 1650, 32GB of RAM, 1TB of SSD, and RTX 3080 external GPU. All of these will come with a 60Hz UHD screen 2-in-1 with a stylus. Link is in the description below. Here's an example from userbenchmark.com of how Intel Iris Xe gets outperformed by a 5-year-old Nvidia GTX 1050. As you can see, GTX 1050 performs faster than Iris Xe by 42%, not to mention having higher scores in lighting, reflection, render, and gravity for both average and overclocked. So what can we draw from all of this? Well, the conclusion is that if you are looking for a laptop to do basic office work and just video consumption, one with integrated graphics is good enough. But if you are to game, 3D model, do VFX and animation, it would be better to get a laptop with a discrete graphics. So we'll be continuing with this series on next week, where we'll talk about what to consider for RAM and storage when you're getting a laptop. And if you've learned something from this video, do leave a like and subscribe so you won't miss out on our other videos. Also check out our previous video of this series about processors if you haven't already. Until next time, stay home, stay safe, and we will see you in the